Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with League of Legends. Whenever you launch the game, after the champion select, you get a black screen. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, make sure you completely disable any third-party antivirus if you have installed in your system, such as Avast, AVG or Norton. Nextly is, do not use the VPN and any overlays, especially the Blitz. If you are using this particular overlay, make sure you completely uninstall it from your system. This is the major cause for League of Legends black screen. And nextly is, right click on League of Legends and choose the option properties. Click on compatibility tab. Here check mark two options, run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimization. Once you have done these two changes, hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead and restart your game to fix out the issue of League of Legends black screen. If this failed to work out, in next step, simply right click on taskbar and choose the option task manager. Here in this processes tab, find all the services with Roid client as well as League of Legends. Suppose this is Roid client, go ahead, right click and choose the option end task. Same way, you need to close the League of Legends if it is running in your system. Right now, it is not running, so there is no such service running in the processes tab. After force closing the League of Legends, relaunch your Roid client and then hit the play option to play the League of Legends, and hopefully this will help you fix out the error. If this also failed, right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now whatever your Wi-Fi is available, right click and choose option properties. Here make sure you uncheck this particular option TCP IPv6. Once you have done it, hit the OK button. Now click on start menu, type CMD, run CMD as an administrator. Type here few commands one by one. ipconfig /release and hit the enter key. Nextly is ipconfig /renew, and thirdly is ipconfig /flush DNS and hit the enter key. Once you have done with these three commands, make sure to restart your PC, and after restarting, go ahead and relaunch League of Legends to fix out the issue of black screen after champion select. If this also failed to work out, in next step, open Roid client and hit the play option to launch League of Legends in your system. Now once the game is launched, click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. Here scroll down and in this left pane, click on this game option. Here check mark the option preferred DX9 legacy mode. Once you have done it, hit the done option. Now go ahead and relaunch the game, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of League of Legends black screen after champion select. If this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. This step is especially for the Linux users. For all Linux users, go ahead and you need to locate this particular location. Home username, games, League of Legends, and here you need to delete a file with the name League of Legends.dxvk-cache. Make sure you delete this particular file with this particular name dxvk cache. Once you have deleted this file, go ahead, relaunch the game, and after launching, make sure you enable DX9 legacy mode as I have told you in this previous step by heading over to settings menu, choosing game and check mark the option preferred DX9 legacy mode. Once you have done these changes, go ahead and relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of League of Legends black screen after champion select. However, if all the method fails, the last hope you have is to remove and add the variable entry. To do so, open the game and you need to open the system options available in the game, and over there you will find the option of environmental variables. Click on it. From here you need to select DXVK state. After selecting, you need to click on this option delete to delete this cache. After deleting, you need to add another cache by clicking on this option add. After clicking on the option add, you need to add a cache with the name DXVK_state_cache with value as 0. Once you have done, hit the save changes. And for Windows users, click on start menu and type in environmental variables. Click on it. Now here click on environmental variables, and here you need to add a new system variable by clicking on the option new over here. Now in variable name, type in dxvk state cache and in variable value give it value as 0. Then hit the OK button. Then once it is added, hit the OK button. Now you are ready to launch the game. Restart your PC, relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of League of Legends black screen after your champion select. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.